Hello and welcome to English Express. Sometimes, we face small moments where speaking English feels a little tricky, like ordering a coffee or asking someone for help. In this video, you'll see how you can handle these situations confidently in English. Let's get started. Ordering coffee.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can I get an extra shot of espresso?
Of course. Anything else?
That's all. How much is it?
It's $4.50.
Here you go. Thanks.
You're welcome. Your drink will be ready in a minute.
Finding an item at the store.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the pasta is?
Sure. It's in aisle 4, right next to the sauces.
Thanks. Oh, and do you have gluten-free pasta?
Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf of the same aisle.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Waiting at the bus stop.
Excuse me, do you know if the number 10 bus has already gone?
I think it comes every 15 minutes. It should be here soon.
Oh, great. I was worried I missed it.
No worries. I usually take the same one. It's pretty regular.
Thanks for letting me know.
Talking with a coworker.
Hey, good morning. How was your weekend?
Morning. It was great. I went hiking with my family. How about you?
Nice. I just relaxed and watched a movie.
Sounds perfect for a weekend. Which movie did you watch?
Inside Out 2. It was amazing.
Oh, I've been meaning to watch that. Maybe this weekend.
Rescheduling an appointment.
Hello, Green Dental Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Sarah. I have an appointment today at 4 p.m., but I need to reschedule.
No problem, Sarah. When would you like to come instead?
Is there a slot available tomorrow morning?
Let me check. Yes, 10:30 a.m. is free.
Perfect. Please book that for me.
Done. See you tomorrow.
Thanks a lot.
Which of these situations do you face most often? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Express for more daily English conversations. See you in the next video, and keep speaking English with confidence.